Hey guys, this is Subhashri and welcome to Glam Shades, a show where I test and review products just for you. Well, this time I have with me one product which is a very essential part of our skincare routine. Yes, I'm talking about the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. Now, since my skin is dry, मैं हमेशा ऐसे मॉइस्चराइजिंग लोशन के सर्च में होती हूँ जो काफ़ी मॉइस्चराइजिंग रहे फॉर अ लॉन्गर hours of the day. And to my surprise, Cetaphil exactly does that. It is long lasting, it's paraben free और यही नहीं, ये hypoallergenic भी है. And one of the best part about this is that कि ये non comedogenic है, यानी कि ये आपके पोर्स को बिल्कुल भी क्लॉग नहीं करेगा. Cetaphil has always been one of the most trusted brands in the industry. Now let's talk about the packaging, guys. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, बहुत ही प्यारा सा पैकेजिंग है, वाइट कलर में है and then looks beautiful with the contrasting color, the typical green and blue color of Cetaphil branding. I totally love it. और बैक साइड में आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन भी मिल जाएगा. It has a lid जैसे आप ओपन कर सकते हैं और फिर यूज कर सकते हैं और जब आप यूज नहीं करना चाहते हैं you can close it. So आपको कंटामिनेशन का और लीकेज का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप कहीं भी लेके जाइए and it's really safe. One of the best part about this thing is that ये काफी ज्यादा हैंडी है और अगर आप पंप स्टाइल डिस्पेंसर चाहते हैं then you can use the bigger size which is of 500 ml. How to choose the best body lotion for your skin? Well guys, अगर आपके पास जो बॉडी लोशन है वो आपकी स्किन को मैच नहीं कर रहा है then it can create a lot of problem like itchiness and pores and acne and the list goes on. And that is why I'm here to tell you how you can find out which is the best body lotion for your skin. Well, first step to consider is know your skin type. Well guys, if you have a dry skin, you should definitely go for something which is moisturizing and hydrating to your skin. लेकिन अगर आपका skin oily है, you should definitely go for something lightweight. And अगर आपका skin sensitive है, you should definitely go for something which is paraben free and it's also very lightweight and milder formula वाला. The second thing to consider is test the product before buying. So guys, अब जब भी कोई नया प्रोडक्ट बॉडी लोशन खरीद रहे हैं उससे पहले इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप उस पर पैच टेस्ट जरूर करें. Apply it on any part of your body, any small portion, and then check if it reacts or it goes and blends with your skin perfectly. अगर वो आपकी स्किन में redness या itchiness create कर रहा है then you should definitely go with something else and try that out. Third thing to really consider are the ingredients. Always before buying, look up to the ingredients, and if you find that it has antioxidant and antibacterial properties, then it will go smooth into your skin. Not only this, अगर उसमें hyaluronic acid, glycerin और essential fatty acids हैं, then it's really good for your skin क्योंकि उसमें hydrating formula काफी ज़्यादा है. Fourth thing to consider is fragrance. Always make sure कि आप जो body lotions खरीद रहे हैं it should have either mild or no fragrance at all. क्योंकि कई बार जहाँ पे scent वाली products use होती हैं it can be irritating to your skin. So better avoid it than making use of it and spoiling your skin. Take out some lotion in your hand, apply it on skin and massage or pat until it gets fully absorbed into the skin. Use it on skin whenever it feels dry. Best to use after a shower. So guys, मेरा overall experience इस product के साथ बहुत अच्छा रहा है. खास बात ये है कि ये काफ़ी long lasting है. आप सुबह लगा लो and you're good to go for the entire day. इसमें एक mild fragrance भी है, तो आप जैसे apply करेंगे you'll feel very nice. और वो smell थोड़ी देर बाद चली भी जाती है, तो आपकी skin में भी वो react नहीं करेगी because it's really mild. And one of the best part again I would feel is that कि ये एकदम perfect है for face and body दोनों के लिए, यानी कि एक moisturizer आप apply कर सकते हैं on your face and also on your body as well. Having a dry skin, I absolutely love this product and I would really suggest it to those people who have sensitive and dry skin. Try this product out and let me know if you like it. Till then, stay tuned for more videos.